once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York with a new project. This time I have a NQ-1770-E. This is an embroidery brother sewing machine that came in completely jammed up. This is really tight. This is going to take me a little bit of a time because this is a computerized embroidery machine, a very delicate machine. I got to make sure that I work on it very carefully, very precise on this, because you don't want to get anything damaged on these expensive machines. So I'm going to jump inside, see what's going on. But the customer brought it in because it's completely jammed up. He was working on it, the machine just stopped, jammed up, and it doesn't move at all. I don't want to even force the hand wheel because I don't want anything to break. So I'm going to open up completely apart, go inside, check it out, and see what's going on, and then I will show you later. Here's the machine now. Let me make some samples on it and see how it comes out. So the machine is now finished. This is the brother machine that I was working on that was completely jammed up. So this machine, what I did, I actually had to open the bottom part of the machine, and the main shaft that moved the hook, it got very dry. Sometimes, these machines, when they come from the factory, maybe they forgot to put some oil on that spot or here and there because it's done by machine. So maybe, it might happen a little bit of sometimes it might happen, you know what I mean? So I didn't want it to open up this machine and show you how to take all the covers out. And the reason why, it's not because I don't want to do it. It's just because this machine has so many little plugs inside. And if you don't do it step by step, the way it's supposed to be done, the way it's suggested to be done by the professional technician and by brother, you're going to be into trouble. So that's why I didn't want it to make a video on how to take the covers out, because it might get a little complicated. And if you damage one of these plugs, they're very sensitive, the machine could be ruined forever. So, but the machine is working perfectly fine. I am very happy to have a new customer who's going to be satisfied with the service on this machine. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. Bye-bye.